He's, his. They're, their. What's the difference? Do you know? Well, keep watching to find out. Today we are looking at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives help us to understand what things belong to us. I am English. I is a subject pronoun and I use it with a verb. I am. I am English. I want to tell you something that belongs to me. So, for example, my bag is blue. It is my bag. It is not your bag, but my bag. My name is Jane. It is my name. It is not your name. If the subject pronoun is I, then the possessive adjective is my. For the subject pronoun you, let's imagine you are Italian. I can say, your name is Giuseppe. It is your name. It is not my name. Your name is Giuseppe. Your home is in Italy. Using the subject pronoun he, we could say he is a student. His name is Michael. His favourite subject is art. When we say his, we mean of a man or of a boy, of a male in general. She is a housewife. She is the subject pronoun, but the possessive adjective is her. Her name is Nicole. Her house is very clean. Note, we use her to mean of a woman or of a girl, so of a female. It is a bookshop. It is the subject pronoun. Its is the possessive adjective. So its name is Books Are Us. Its books are very popular. Please be careful because it is in the contracted form is written IT apostrophe S and we say its. But its, the possessive adjective, is written ITS without an apostrophe. The pronunciation, though, is the same. So it's and its. We are colleagues. We is the subject pronoun. Our is the possessive adjective. Our office is in the city and our office is open plan. You are, the plural form, you are brothers. You is the subject pronoun, your is the possessive adjective. Your parents' names are Bob and Betty. Your shared passion is football. They are friends. They is the subject pronoun. Their is the possessive adjective. Their names are Beth and Sarah. Their hobbies are singing and dancing. If you're finding this lesson useful, please subscribe. We do not need to change the possessive adjective if talking about plural nouns. It stays the same. My bag, my bags. His dog, his dogs. Your house, your houses. Now let's do some pronunciation practice. I would like you to listen and repeat the possessive adjectives after me. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Well done. I would like us to make a pronunciation comparison between the contracted forms of the verb to be and the possessive adjectives. So once again, listen and repeat the forms after me. I'm, my, your, he's, his, she's, her, its, we're, our, your, their. Well done. Homework is to practice using possessive adjectives in some sentences. Write your sentences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can have more English lessons together in the future. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.